Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome to a brand new episode of the Happy Workaholic Podcast. I'm your host, Kellyanne Gorman, and today we are doing no intro, no outro, no music. I'm just going to dive right into today's episode. It is 11:06 p.m. and I went for an evening stroll, which felt so good, and I'm so wired but tired at the same time, and I just had this fire inside of me, like I just really needed to share everything I have in the works and what I just finalized for you guys, for this show, for all you listeners out there in almost 60 countries. I was hoping I'd hit 60 countries by tomorrow, so fingers crossed. I'm at 59 countries right now. The top 6 being the United States, UK, Japan, Canada, Australia, Germany. Thank you guys so much for tuning in each and every week. Wherever you're listening from, I appreciate you so much. For you, those of you that don't know, I started this podcast over 2 years ago. And the reason why I started it was because I brought my entire 20 years of work experience to my website and created different coaching programs. And I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease that would leave me blind and paralyzed. So obviously, I was super scared and I didn't know how I was going to make money. I knew I could still talk, so here I am with a podcast. That's how it started. And I knew that by sharing my story, I could always help others, and I did it from the very beginning. I knew that I could monetize my show with sponsors and affiliate marketing and just driving more traffic to my website. So that's really the only option that I had. I was scared to death and I needed a way out. I needed a way to just consistently share my story. And that's how this show all started. And that was over 2 years ago. And throughout this journey, I've always said, there's no rules in podcasting. And so many of my friends quote me on that all the time. And there really isn't. And I feel like if you're a creative type, you should do whatever the hell you damn well please and try it out. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. I've had different series on this show. I have the I Chose This Life series, which you're probably very familiar with because that happens every Wednesday. And that is a series that I put together to feature other female entrepreneurs. And they really share their story of why they chose the life they're living, they're working, what, they did to take, what it took to get them to where they are today. And God, I'm so tongue-tied. I don't know why. They're sharing the good, the bad, a lot of them share things they've never shared publicly, which is so insane that they share that here in a podcast. And I'm so honored that they shared that personal story with myself and you as well. And then I had the Sunny Side Up series, which was a collection of how-to podcast episodes. And then I also did Medium blog posts that coincided with each podcast episode. They were all 20 minutes. They were all under 20 minutes long. And those I created to provide insight. And I definitely wanted it to add a little bit more sunshine and stability to your life. So they're short and sweet episodes. And I really did that for moms, for the stay-at-home moms, for the moms working, the moms wanting to get back into work. And I have a lot of friends that are moms, and I kind of took all the information that they would always be, complaining about and worried about and stressed out about. And I created shows specifically for moms, because if there's about 10 of them telling me, I know that there's thousands more out there that, are looking for this type of content. So that's why I put that series together. I'm working on another series for patients. So I'm going to get into that later on, but if you are a patient that is struggling and want to share your story, it's very specific, so I'm only taking on specific patients, but if you want, you can just visit thehappyworkaholic.com and then send me an email through my Contact Kelly page, and we can connect for that. But like I said, there's no rules in podcasting. So when I have an idea, and I've just always been a creative type, I've decided that I want to turn something into series, because my show was a solo show. It was just me, myself, and I for a solid year and a half. And then I was ready to incorporate guests. And I didn't really want to have guests on, because my show in the beginning started off as a show for business, LinkedIn, and I was sharing my life with an autoimmune disease. So it didn't really work out into the mix of my show. And I thought it would be best if it was just me sharing my stories. But then something hit me one day and I was like, I need to share the stories of all these other female entrepreneurs. And by the way, since there's no intro music, if you're new to the show, I was misdiagnosed. So after all the chemo, all the drugs, all the procedures, all that fun stuff, I'm actually now in the legal process. So I filed many medical malpractice legal lawsuits, and hopefully they'll be done by the end of summer. And so that's what I'm doing with that now. But so now I actually have time. That happened in January. I realized I was misdiagnosed by multiple doctors, have it in writing. So that's why I proceeded with the legal. But long story short, my time is now, it's been given back to me, because now I can not be researching my legal case, and I could grow the show to the best that it possibly can be for you guys. I want to have more guests on the show for you to hear these amazing stories and share their journey of how they got to where they are today, the good, the bad, the ugly, I mean, all of it. So if there's a specific guest, please let me know that you would love to hear from them. I have a lot lined up, and so I'm really excited to be sharing those stories. But, in business, you want to evolve, you want to grow, you always want to put out the best content. And for me, it's always been about sharing my story and sharing the story of others. And that's why I launched the I Chose This Life series, and we're on season 2 of it now. And I've had just about 20 guests on already. And that's just crazy to me. I counted earlier and I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe this show has just evolved so much. Never in my life would I imagine that I'd be a full-time podcaster, and now everything I do is podcasting. I work full-time running my podcasting business, coaching and producing other shows, and just launching my own show is how that all happened. It's kind of a long story, but now I have Your Podcast Production business, and I help other women launch and create successful podcasts like mine. And I'm a firm believer, you get what, you put out into the universe, and I just want to make this show as best as it possibly can. I want to involve you more, and I just want people to feel good. I want, to give you the platform and a global audience so that you can share your story and you can share your brand. And I've been trying out a couple things, and I just wasn't feeling them. And something in my gut was like, these aren't going to work, And I tried it out for a couple months last year using, different platforms, including specific sponsors. And I can see by the numbers, you guys don't like it. So some things were really high downloads, which I couldn't believe, and things that I didn't like, but you guys liked. So I've been racking my brain and doing so much research now that I have more time. I'm not pulling 90-hour work weeks anymore, just 40, 50. And, sorry, I have the hiccups. I'm drinking my sleepy time tea. So I'm on my computer right now, and I'm going to pull up something that I just launched. And if you haven't heard the news, if you don't follow me on social media, I highly recommend it, especially on Instagram. You can follow me at The Happy Workaholic, and that's where I basically live on Instagram stories and where I post the most, there and on Facebook. So I launched something called Team, and Team stands for Together Everyone Has the Ability to Monetize. I'm going to read this for you right now directly from my website, and you can pull this up yourself on thehappyworkaholic.com. And this is just one way that you can be involved in the Happy Workaholic Network. And next, I'm going to share more about the podcast. I really just want this show to be for you guys and just share more stories that you can really relate to. So, what is Team? It's a sophisticated member-only group of entrepreneurs who dedicate the time to invest themselves and their business. Professionals who are looking for more connections to build long-term relationships that will help build momentum and expand the reach of projects within their brands. This online creative community, see creative, always creative, is about networking, pitching, promoting, collaborating, and consulting. The more we work together and be better together, the more we will all succeed together. I'm such a firm believer on this. Membership is available at 4 different levels, and it's only a one-time payment, so you can upgrade at any time to enjoy all the benefits. So I have 4 levels for you guys, and it's the bronze level membership, silver, gold, platinum. If you've been following me online for a couple of years, that's kind of my go-to. So there's 4 levels. You can, the pricing goes from $197 to $499. And with the platinum, that's $499. Again, it's a one-time payment. You get exclusive membership to this brand new networking group where all you do is pitch your media kits, pitch yourself, sell your product, collaborate, set up meetings, set up Zoom calls, connect with this amazing community that is going to be filled with other entrepreneurs. You need to find people that you know, like, and trust, and this is a group that you're going to be able to do that in. So you're going to get exclusive membership to the Team Network as well as the Happy Workaholic Network on Facebook. You're also going to receive 3 one-on-one coaching calls with me and then 1 video meeting on Zoom. So each week you and I get to meet one-on-one. So if you've been wanting to ever work with me, whether it's business coaching, consulting, LinkedIn, podcasting, you guys, you're saving thousands of dollars right now just with that. You're also going to receive a commercial spot here on this podcast. And then I'm going to interview you for an episode specifically for a new business series I'm pushing out in the fall winter. And then you're also going to receive 50% off all my future programs within the Happy Workaholic Network. So say, for example, I coach you for 4 weeks on podcasting, and then you decide that you need your LinkedIn upgraded. So then you would immediately receive 50% off that. So that alone is valued over $2,000, and the buy-in price is $499. And as this community grows, the price is going to as well. So that's the highest price for you to come in on the team membership. And then it just drops down and eliminates some of the things as you work your way down to the lowest price, which is $197. So that's something that I launched this week. And the reason why I created it is because I really, really miss going on LinkedIn and communicating with random strangers and, sending messages and getting real responses, immediately getting on the phone, making a deal happen and just elevating each other personally and professionally. That doesn't happen anymore. And I really, really miss it. I mean, I am on LinkedIn all the time. I still blog twice a week on there and I'm on there every day, but it's just not the same. And I really miss that, those collaborations and those immediate connections like you get on Facebook, right? So this is why I've created this specific group so that you can network with people that want to sell. And you're buying into it, and I'm giving you so many more benefits because I want to help you with your brand. So if you need a consultant for your company and you just have, all these things lined up, let me help you do that. And so the best way to utilize this group is to introduce yourself, share the story behind your business and your brand. Like I said, pitch your program. You can come into the group and ask for advice. You can post an open position within your company. You can request an introduction, find a job, set up meetings, sell your programs. I'm reading this now from my website. Post your website, your podcast media kit. What if you're looking for sponsors for your podcast and this is the group that you want to come into? You can share your resume, you can look for HR execs, whatever the case may be. It's an extremely unique group because I personally created it. And it's specifically so that you can connect with like-minded professionals like yourself. And it's a place to come and sell with ease, to get your message heard, and connect with the colleagues that you've been searching for. They're from all different industries in this group. So there's two ways to look at this. You can look at it as you're searching for these types of colleagues that you want to be affiliated with, and you really want to be a part of a brand new group. The price is $197. That's a really good deal for being a part of a huge network at a very low buy-in price, right? Because as this group grows, the price is definitely going up. I can guarantee you that. But a coaching and consulting call with me, just 1 hour, is $125 to $150. So you're paying just for that. And then a commercial spot on the Happy Workaholic podcast is valued at $300. So that right there is almost $5. And then you get 10% off all future programs within the Happy Workaholic Network. So right here for the bronze level membership, you're saving over $600. Your only price is $197. You get percentages off within my network. You get a commercial right on this podcast. And then you get coaching consulting with me once for the month. Like, that's a pretty good deal. If you look at the pricing on my website, you can calculate it yourself. The value is over $600. But the value you're going to receive and get from this group is going to be way more valuable than what I'm offering you as a thank you. And I really wanted to show you how much I appreciate you and your community and you listening and your business. Like, I want to help you grow your own business. So that's why I'm involving commercial spots and coaching and consulting and all these other valued pieces to each level of membership. So if you visit thehappyworkaholic.com, you can check out the team page, and all the information is there. Secondly, I want to talk to you guys about something else that I'm really passionate about and why I really want more of you to become part of the actual show. You know, if you're not interested in team and you're not interested in commercials, they're, like a really long scripted commercial and you just don't have the funds, you're just not into something like that. I just want to preface this by saying, podcasting is a lot of work. You can't just record and pop it online. I mean, you need to syndicate the show. You need to edit. You need to produce. You need to write a script. You need to have a bullet point list. You need to make sure your mic and your audio is set up. You need to make sure that the sound quality is good. Nothing is ever perfect. For example, yesterday, today's the first day, well, right now, honestly, that I haven't really coughed that much. And, today, the show that came out today, I probably spent 3 hours producing that show to the best that I possibly could, and my coughs were still there, but I could not edit out and take out the content that my guest was sharing because it was so good. So I just minimized my cost to the best that I possibly could, and life goes on. And I've been sick for a week, and now I'm finally feeling a lot better, I can tell you that. So now that I'm back here recording, and, it just takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of energy, and it takes a lot of money. Time is worth money. It takes a couple $100s to produce each and every episode, and it's a lot of work. So in order to, have this make sense for all of you guys as well as myself, I really want you to become a part of the show a lot more. So something that I created for you guys listening right now is a donation process. So if you come in again at the bronze donation level, it's $10. If you these are all one-time donations, by the way. I'm going to probably this weekend or sometime next week do recurring payments, so that if you wanted to do something every month, like $5 a month, $10 a month, you could do something like that. But this is just to launch this right now, and you guys are the first ones to hear this. Nobody else knows about this. It's going to be $10. So for a $10 donation to this show, you're going to get a shout out right here. So I'm going to thank you on the show, and you can share it with all your friends, and your name has been heard worldwide on this global platform of the Happy Workaholic podcast. How cool is that? For a one-time $25 donation, the silver donation, you're going to get a shout out on this on a future episode, as well as I'm going to mention your Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, I'll mention your Facebook, and then I'll also put your link in the show notes so that we'll live there forever. What is more, like, it's so amazing that you can get something like this for only $25 and have all these new followers that want to connect with you, and you can meet so many new people. It could eventually turn into a business deal. Who knows? The next buy-in is $50. So for the $50 gold donation, you're going to get a shout out on a future episode, social media mention, and then also your website link will be available in the show notes. So basically, if you can't, if you're not interested in spending or investing $300 for a commercial spot, I'm basically giving you such an incredible value for this really low buy-in price, just because I want to involve all of you listening onto the show more. I want to share what you have with literally the rest of the world, all 59 countries that are listening. So that's the $50 gold donation. And then for the $100 platinum donation, again, this is a one-time payment. You will get a shout out on another future episode. You'll get tagged on my Facebook and Instagram when the episode goes live. So you'll be on the Happy Workaholic Facebook and Instagram. You'll get a commercial spot. That alone is valued at $300, and this is only costing you $100. So that's a huge deal. And then your company information will also be included in the Happy Workaholic weekly newsletter, and that goes out to over 1,500 people each and every week. So that, my friends, for $100 is a score, such a deal. And then on top of that, you're also going to get exclusive membership to the Team Network, as well as the Happy Workaholic Network on Facebook. So Team, that I just mentioned, together everyone has the ability to monetize. You'll have access to that. So that buy-in alone is $197. So you're saving a ton of money for a one-time price of $100. It literally cannot get any better than that. So if you are ready to invest in your business, if you would like to donate to this show, I would be more than happy to share what you have coming up. If you want to schedule it for a specific month, we can do that. If you have something coming out right away, I can put it on an upcoming show next week, next Wednesday and Friday. I do 2 shows a week, every Wednesday, every Friday. The I Chose This Life series, like I mentioned earlier, is every Wednesday, and then my solo shows are every Friday. So that's, of course, when I'm not dying in bed and not sick like I was this week. It came out today. But that's something I am so passionate about, and I really want to involve more of you on the show. And not everybody is sitting on cash. I understand. Not everybody's sitting on money, and you can't afford to spend $1,500 to work with me, $3,000 to work with me, but you can get pretty much half the benefits for less than $500. It really can't get any better than that. If you guys have any questions about the donation process or Team, please just message me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find me at The Happy Workaholic, or you can always send me a message on my website. Just visit thehappyworkaholic.com and then go to the Contact Kelly page, and then just shoot me a message there. But I'm doing this for you guys. There's no rules in podcasting. I've said it a million times, and this is my show. And the reason why I have a show is because I want to share my story, but I also want to share more of yours. So if you would like to be a guest on an upcoming show, send me your story on my website. If you have a business, or if you have anything else, personally or professionally you'd like to share, let me know. And if it works out, I would love to have you on the show. I would love to feature your business, your branding, whatever the case may be. Let's just figure it out. And, I'm kind of taking this show in a new direction, and I'm sick of talking about myself. And I just want to, talk about more of you. So that's why I'm kind of opening up this dialogue and opening up this conversation because I want to hear from more of you. I want you to be a part of the show. If you are going through something stressful, health related, you have questions, business related, just message me. I live online. We all know that. You can message me at any time and just ask away. So I hope you guys liked this episode. It's something different. I haven't done a show without music in forever, honestly. But I just wanted to share what I have going on for you with these 2 new launches, with the donation for the podcast and with the new team program. And if you would like to be a guest, if you have a message, just message me. I am always online. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. And I hope you guys loved this episode. If you did and you haven't already left me a review on Apple Podcasts, please go ahead and rate, review, subscribe. It would truly mean the world to me. And if you tag me on Facebook and Instagram at The Happy Workaholic, I will repost it for you. So I hope you guys had a great week. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. I hope you're so excited, more excited than I am. I'm super excited. I hope you're even more excited. Not every podcast host invites her audience onto her show. I can tell you that. But I'm all about sharing your stories, and I think that everybody should start sharing more of their stories. I think it's just going to make us all feel better and be more relatable. And that's all I have to say for tonight. So have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon.